give it up for Alan San Miguel.
How's it going, everybody? I am so happy to see each one of you here. Actually, talking about visualizations, Mark was talking about one of my goals. One of my pictures in my vision board was to be in front of a qualified, intelligent, appreciative, and lawyerly audience such as yourself. So thank you for helping me comply with my dream. So I'm here to share with you a few things that I did. And quick background, I was born in Texas, but I was raised in Monterrey. You can see my parents, my wedding, my Texas. That's me. In the Camis, I was a reservist with the United States Marine Corps, and I was on board of USS Tarawa on that day of the picture. I'm no longer, I think that ship is no longer commissioned, and I'm not looking like I'm a Marine again. But that's my wife, my 3 kids. They're here with me, and I'm here to share how is it that we brought $272,000 in revenues to my firm? How? Well, with that philosophy that I'm going to show you, what is called Row to Grow. There are 7 parts of the law firm. All you know that, but the most important part of the law firm is you. And this is one of the things that it's very important for you to listen to. This is a point that is very important for everybody because you are the most valuable asset to your firm. If you're okay, everything is okay. So you have to believe that you are valuable. You have to believe that you can give value to your clients. You have to believe that you can do out there what they can't find, which is good, which is somebody that cares, somebody that will be going with them and rowing together in this little canoe that we call life. And that's when marketing comes in. Marketing is the actual voice that your service has so that you and your team and your firm are known out there. Because once you tell people what you do, they'll come to you and seek answers. Now, what prompted me to make this change? How is it that I started working on this? Well, emotions, y'all. Emotions. The first thing that you need to take into account is, why do I do what I do? Once I started listening to myself, looking at the purpose, what was I doing? I thought, damn it, I need to do this with every single client I have. Be emotional, help them out, get your heart out, give it to them like I'm giving this heart of mine to you all. Everything that Mark did today is him giving a heart to you. Everybody else that's going to come after me is going to put his heart out for you all to learn a lesson that is so freaking valuable that your firms will thrive. And it will be you next time here on this stage being hammered just like we did. So once you know where to go with your emotions and you know what to do, you just row to grow. And this is a paddle. I don't have an oar here, but every time when I was in USS Tarawa, you came out of that boat and you were still rocking like this, you know, and it got me thinking, that's us. Sometimes we're in a kayak or in a canoe, and we don't know where to go. We use our hands, and we advance a little bit. Then maybe we get a little paddle, and then we start going. But then we get distracted, and we stop. Oh, look, a birdie. Oh, shoot. And then you got to start going back. I was doing long nights. I had little money. I had trouble in my marriage. I had a bunch of stuff, y'all. I had a lot of things that were not going right in my life, and that's what helped me to change. And I started making and understanding that only a fool, and this is tough, but only a fool will do the same thing and expect to have a different result. And I think Einstein said that. If it's not him, let me know. But that's when you start making the change, because you know that you can't do things the same way. So then that's when I decided to row to a place where I could have more money, where I could have better services, where I could be more assistance to every single client that came to my law firm. And I started to paddle. And I rowed in one way and the other, and I went again. And sometimes there's wind, and so you get blown off, and sometimes you may fall. But you know what? You may be like this, saying, gee whiz, how did I end up here? No staff, no marketing dollars. I feel like a damn fool. But that's when you got to take everything you got and go back to your heart and get emotions out and say, I'm not going to stay here. I'm going to be able to deliver good services to everybody out there, because that's what's going to help my family thrive, and that's where I want to be. And then you start rowing some more. And you row some more. You row some more. So where is it that I did? Well, I'll tell you what I didn't do. And, what I did and it didn't work. I joined a BNI group. That wasn't good. Live webinars that didn't deliver clients. I sponsored a golf tournament. Everybody was like, yay, awesome, because they had free money, but I didn't get clients from that. I sponsored a book launching event. Didn't get clients from that either. And anyway, a bunch of stuff out there. But this is what we did. Joe, Adam, can you please help me with the video?
¿Te parece que sea así o quieres que el audio lo metamos a la presentación? Que se reproduzca en la presentación.
No sé. Yo creo que vamos a tener que hacerlo, separado.
Mira, vamos a hacerlo separado y vamos a hacer pruebas si se puede juntos. Si no se puede juntos.
Thank you, Joe and Adam. That was my marketing director. He's in Mexico. He's in Monterrey. He charges me $2,800 a month, and he does everything I tell him. Landing pages, 4 publications in Facebook. We activated the client's desires, the ambitions, the eagerness, the projections, their impetus to obtain better futures for themselves. That's where we went to grab our marketing message, and we sent it out to them because we felt it and it was good and it was fair for them to feel it too, because that's how you actually engage people, by helping them knowing that you can do the work. I had publications in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. We were in Nashville, Tennessee. We went over there to the Dave Ramsey facilities, and that's where we got that picture, Live Like No One Else. That's our marketing funnel based on HTM. This is straight from the book of the LQM from 2020, how you can perpetuate a cycle of clients coming in and out for you. And you only need to grab somebody that knows how to do it. I don't know how to do it, but I hired somebody that did. And that's how we got this ball rolling. And that worked because we did 50 weeks of meetings every Thursday for about 2 hours, publications in Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, landing pages, articles, everything. We spent about $5,000 per month for the whole year, and we got to the actual amount that I told you earlier, $272,000. I'll be able to give you this presentation to everyone. There's some statistics for you out there, and we did this because we knew that it needed to work for people such as my clients, but especially for them. That's my why, ladies and gentlemen. That's why I do this. That's why I didn't let any pressure get in between myself and the actual $1 million goal. Because I knew all that rowing, all that work that I had to do was going to benefit them. So the best thing I did for my law firm was to actually believe that I could deliver value to my clients, and I got my emotions aligned. I got the message out, and I made sure it reached everyone. And that's how I got to the first $1 billion with our firm. And you know what? I think I deserve it. So you all, I deserve it for my family, and that's how you all can benefit too. God bless. Take care. See you soon.